가요 그냥 그렇게.
잠깐. So
시작.
So once you put the screen on the like a flat surface with 2%, the first thing you need to remove these 4 screws. And flip it and remove these 2 cables. Okay, just pull it from the board on the like 90 degrees, just like this way. And remove these 4 screws. And flip this carefully because the cable is kind of tight. So this one is a LG model. It has like a 2 power cables, but for your display with the Samsung only have a 1 cable. So remove that. 살짝 이렇게 당겨요. 이렇게. And you need to hold this each side and pull it gently. And just to remove all the screws, if you see anything like with the Samsung, you don't have these 2 covers, so whatever screws on the panel, just remove everything. Don't remove these 4 screws. You don't need to remove these 4 screws here. So once all the screw is removed, take the board out, and you'll see just this back panels. This is LG again, so Samsung will have this SMPS part at this area, so you just need to unplug this cable from here, right, and unplug this FFC cable from here. But the LG one looks like this, but Samsung panel, you have to like flip the cover and then remove the film gently, and then when you put it back, put the film in, and then you need to flip the cover, and then you will see like a click sounds. And take the photos or videos to make sure you put all the cables at the same position with the new panel. And then assemble the back metal, and then this part, and lastly IR part. That's it.